So what do you see as the strategy for the growth and universal applications of 3D printing?
Well, I think the growth right now is going to be in metals. And there's a number of new companies that have just started up and become unicorns, billion-dollar valuations that are like Desktop Metals just outside of Boston. And these folks are cracking the methods of printing with more standardized metals, not the high-end stuff that GE does or for aviation and military equipment, but stuff you do for a bicycle or for an automobile or metal fences and things like that. And so the result is those are going to capture and create a lot of growth. It may not create a lot of jobs, but it'll the net number of jobs will probably go down, but the quality of jobs will go up. Now, what we don't know is whether or not this is going to create other kinds of industries and growth. Let me give you an example. In 2015, I suggested in one of my articles that, with 3D printers, we can make things really intricately. For example, we could make artificial coral reefs and then seed them with sea animals, and that will attract fish and create whole new fisheries. And I got all kinds of notes saying, Devaney, you're an idiot.
You're crazy. Oh,
you've lost your mind here, and so forth. And I just read within the last 6 months that Jacques Cousteau's grandson is experimenting with and building artificial coral reefs.
That exactly thing. Oh,
yeah.
He must have read your article.
Well, I can't say. I can't say. Maybe we parallel processed and to the same conclusion. But think about what that means. So we'll lose a whole bunch of jobs in regular manufacturing, but now with coral reefs, artificial ones, you can create proprietary fish hatcheries. And a food company now can grow a lot more food. We can do in 3 months what it took Mother Nature to do over centuries to build these coral reefs. And we can plant them in waters further north so that the global climate change that's killing off the natural reefs will not reach those folks. So we create a whole bunch of benefits here. First, we feed people better. Second, there's a whole, and we can feed many more people. We can mitigate some of the damages of global warming on the ocean. We can also build food companies, with big floating factories that sit outside of it, freeze the fish, and all the thousands of jobs that will be created selling new frozen fish products.
So it's endless capabilities of what this technology can basically harness.
Exactly, and stuff we never thought. So, I mean, we can't even imagine it.
It's exciting.
Yeah, it really is. Because I actually believe it'll solve a lot of the problems that we have. Like, I mean, just as one example was, food and jobs for people who aren't as educated as engineers and so forth.